Hello everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's video, we will learn the simple steps on how to manage Google Chrome via Microsoft Intune. We will use Microsoft Intune administrative templates to manage Google Chrome. Microsoft Intune admin can manage Google Chrome settings from Intune using setting catalog and administrative templates. To manage Google Chrome settings, there are two ways to create a profile using a templates or using a settings catalog. The settings catalog has more settings related available, while administrative templates are built in Intune and that have some predefined settings and doesn't require any additional settings like OMA URI. As a part of mobile device management solution, use this template setting as a one-stop shop to manage your Windows device. The Intune administrative template from Chrome will give you the same group policy creation admin experience from a modern management perspective. First step is to create a configuration profile that have all of the settings related to Google Chrome. To do this, please log in to Microsoft Admin Center using the URL intune.microsoft.com. Once you are logged in, then go to Devices. In the Devices section, you will find the option of Configuration down here. Once you are in the configuration, you can go to Create and New Policy. In the platform, please select Windows 10 and later, and these are the setting catalog and templates we have discussed earlier. So we are not going to set up any customization or any customized setting. That's why we are not going to setting catalog. We are going to use predefined setting and features related to Google Chrome that Intune have. So we have to select here templates. Once you have selected templates, just scroll down and go to administrative templates, hit create. Here you can name the policy Google Chrome Configuration settings. Okay, same name in the description. Please note that you must be a global administrator or Intune service administrator to perform these steps, and you can enter optional description here. This configuration policy will deploy Google Chrome settings to Windows devices using administrative templates. Click Next. On configuration page, we will find all the configuration settings related to Windows devices. Here, let's select computer configuration, scroll a little down, and I'm going to click on Google. And in Google subfolder, I'm going to select Google Chrome. Please remember that we have selected here computer configuration, not the user configuration, right? So let's search here bookmark. Okay, here we want to target manage bookmarks. Open this. This settings will add bookmarks on the devices, on the Windows devices, and this setting will push these bookmarks to the devices we target in our policy. So for your understanding, I am taking the example of bookmarks here. You can set up any setting or you can configure any setting related to your requirements, right? So here we also have the syntax of adding bookmarks, right? Let's enable this. So now as we have enabled bookmarks here, let's select this code and copy it as this is correct syntax and paste it in manage bookmarks here. So you can change your bookmarks here according to your requirement. You can update any bookmark according to your requirement. The bookmark your company need or you need to update, you can update here, and also you can copy the code into a notepad and you can update the settings according to your requirement. Once you are done, let me paste here. Okay, once you have added your required bookmarks here, right, you can just copy all this bookmark, set text, and then go here and you can paste here. Now let's save this setting, hit OK, and you can see book manage bookmarks is now enabled. The next setting we wanna set up here is action on startup. Let's open the action on startup settings here, and here first enable this, and on the startup what we want is to restore the last session, right? That's perfect. Click OK. So once we enable this setting, it means that when the user reopen the browser, this will restore the last session in the Google Chrome, or the tabs those are open in the last session, those tabs will be restored in the Google Chrome browser. So let's go ahead and define some security setting for our organizations. So type here password. Here we have the option enable saving passwords, right, to password web manager. We don't want users to save passwords into a password manager. This time we wanna set this policy to disable, right, so that user could not save their passwords to Google Chrome password manager. Click OK. So now let's say we want user to be safe from downloading suspicious files. So here let's go ahead download. Now let's go to allow download restrictions. We want to keep secure our computers from downloading malicious files. Select enable, and in the download restriction we have different options. Block malicious download and dangerous file types, block malicious downloads, uncommon and unwanted download, and dangerous file type, block all download or block malicious download recommended. So I must select here block malicious downloads recommended and select OK. So I think for testing purpose, as I have defined 3 or 4 policies here, so this could be enough for you to understand and to secure your computers from viruses or malicious files and setting up your bookmarks. You can also set any other settings according to your organization requirement. So that's it. Let's hit next. I'm not going to define any scope tags here. I'm going to select next. In the assignment section, you can add group, you can add all user, you can add all devices. So our policies are specifically for devices. I can add a device group by going to add groups here, and I can also assign it to all of the devices. So let me show you how we can add a group. Right here my requirement could be all devices, but let's say we wanna add a single group here that will get all these policy when checked in into Intune. You can also exclude any group here. Let me click next. Here you can review all of the settings you have defined, and you can also see your configuration settings. Let's go ahead. If you are okay with your policy settings, you can go ahead and click on create. It will take few seconds to get this policy updated into Microsoft Intune, and also when the device is checked in with Microsoft Intune or get sync or restarted, anytime the policy will get updated on the devices, and you will get all of the results here: succeeded, error, conflict, or not applicable, and also you can view the report here for all of your devices, right? You can also export the report, and if later on if you want to edit your policy or if you want to edit any settings, you can do that. You can change name, description, and things, administrative templates, profile type, these things from here. You can change the group assignments from here, included and excluded group, and also you can go to configuration setting if you want to define any additional settings, or if you want to change your current settings, you can come here into configuration settings. So that's it about today's simple tutorial. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep supporting. Take care. Bye.